Hi, hello all. Today we are going to see about another interesting mastic puzzle. Here I arrange the numbers with the matches. I just read out the numbers first. 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. 6 minus 1 is equal to 6. Both the calculations are wrong. So what we are going to do means we have to remove any one of the matchstick from the each equation so that we can get the correct calculation. This is very easy puzzle. This is mainly for kids. You could arrange the numbers with the matchsticks with your kids to entertain them. So I'm going to set 40 seconds time for both the puzzle. So the time starts now. Okay, time up. The answer is, so from the first equation 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. So we have to remove any one stick to make the equation correct. So I just remove the plus from this, I got minus. So 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. So from the second one I just remove this one. Yeah. So 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. That's all. Hope you learn how to solve. If you are new here, check out all of the videos. If you found useful, subscribe the channel. Thank you.